Hello, Boat here, and I have some exciting news for you. Right, okay, so there's this boat, right? Not me, a different boat, yeah. And they had a competition to name the boat, and the voting's closed. It turns out they've named it after me. You might not know this, right? My full name is Boat. That's short for Boaty McBoatface. That's my real name, yeah? They're gonna call the boat that! I'm so happy! I've never had a boat named after me before! This is so awesome! Yeah. What? Oh. Okay, this guy over here has just told me, apparently, some guy's saying that they're not gonna call it that. Who said that? Science guy. The Minister for Science. Joe Johnson? He's not related to Boris Johnson, is he? Ugh. Okay, so, apparently maybe they won't name it after me. But let me tell you this. If you have a vote for what to name the boat, you've got to name it what the vote says. Otherwise, what's the point in having a vote? You know, obviously, if they want to name a boat, they're gonna name it after me. So, yeah. If you don't want to choose the public's name for the boat, don't let them vote for your boat. But obviously do, because it's funny. So, Boaty McBoatface, long may she sail the seas. I've got lots more things to say of similar importance, but I just thought I'd throw that one out there. So I'll see you soon, maybe. Until then, I hate you so much. Seriously though, Joe Johnson Lee, if you don't call it Boaty McBoatface, then I will personally make this face. And I'll do it for a really long time too.